The Halloween Adventure of the Little Ghost and the Pumpkin. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, Halloween was the most exciting night of the year. The streets were decorated with spooky lights, carved pumpkins, and all sorts of fun decorations. Children dressed up in their favorite costumes, eager to go trick or treating. In this town lived a friendly little ghost named Gus. Gus wasn't like the scary ghosts you hear about in stories. He was cheerful, playful, and loved making friends. Every Halloween, Gus would float around the town, admiring the decorations and watching the children have fun. One Halloween night, as Gus floated through the town square, he saw something unusual. A small pumpkin was sitting all alone on the steps of the old library. The pumpkin had a sad face carved into it, and it looked like it needed a friend. "Hi there, I'm Gus. What's your name?" asked the little ghost, his voice full of warmth and kindness. His eyes twinkled as he tried to cheer up the lonely pumpkin. The pumpkin looked up, surprised. "Oh, hello, I'm Percy," it replied with a small, quivering voice. The carved face seemed even sadder up close. "I'm feeling a bit lonely tonight. I wish I could join the Halloween fun." Gus' heart ached for the lonely pumpkin, and he immediately felt a surge of compassion. "Why don't we go on a Halloween adventure together?" he suggested, his eyes sparkling with excitement and a wide grin spreading across his face. "We can visit all the decorated houses and maybe even get some candy." Percy's face lit up with excitement, a glimmer of hope replacing his sadness. His carved smile seemed to widen. "Really, that sounds wonderful. But how will I move around? I'm just a pumpkin." Gus smiled reassuringly, his eyes softening. "Leave it to me." He used his ghostly powers to gently lift Percy off the ground. Together, they floated through the town, ready for their Halloween adventure. Their first stop was a house with a giant spider web and glowing skeletons in the yard. Gus and Percy floated up to the door and knocked. A friendly witch opened the door, her eyes widening in surprise and delight. "Happy Halloween," she said with a warm smile, her cheeks rosy with happiness. She handed them a handful of candy. "Happy Halloween," Gus and Percy replied in unison, giggling with delight. Percy's carved face seemed to glow with happiness. As they continued their journey, they visited houses decorated with flying bats, spooky ghosts, and even a mini haunted house. At each stop, Gus would knock on the door, and Percy would give his biggest smile. The townspeople were thrilled to see such a unique trick-or-treating duo and gave them lots of candy. Gus felt a warm feeling in his chest every time he saw Percy's happy expression. After a fun-filled evening, Gus and Percy decided to take a break in the park. They sat under a big oak tree, their bags full of candy and their hearts full of joy. "Thank you, Gus," Percy said happily, his voice filled with gratitude and a big smile lighting up his face. "This has been the best Halloween ever. I never thought I could have so much fun." Gus smiled warmly, feeling a sense of deep satisfaction and joy. "I'm glad you had a good time, Percy. Halloween is all about fun and friendship. I'm happy we could share this adventure together." As the night grew darker, it was time for Percy to return to the steps of the old library. Gus gently placed him back, and they said their goodbyes. "Good night, Percy. See you next Halloween," Gus called out as he floated away, feeling a twinge of sadness but also hope for the future. "Good night, Gus. I'll be waiting," Percy replied, his voice brimming with happiness and anticipation. His carved face was now a permanent smile. From that Halloween on, Gus and Percy became the best of friends. Every year, they looked forward to their Halloween adventure, spreading joy and laughter throughout the town. And so, in the cozy little town, Halloween became not just a night of spooky fun, but also a celebration of friendship and kindness. And they all lived happily ever after. Happy Halloween!